Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'm totally amazed. I just can't believe it. If you guys made your Google Chrome update this week, or any Chromium updates on your browser that had updates, the security updates for Chrome this week beat the all-time record of the amount of security flaws that are fixed. Look at the blog post that now they updated. The stable channel update for desktop, that's what you got on your PC. Update includes 429 security fixes. This is beyond crazy. And a lot of critical updates. Look at that. The first one went $97,000 for the first critical one. It's amazing the amount of flaws that are being reported suddenly. Something changed. Somebody asked me, could they be using AI? It's not impossible. I mean, AI can be used for good, which is finding flaws in software. Could it be that more security researchers are starting to do a job with that? Maybe. But this is beyond crazy. I mean, we see Microsoft sometimes, and we're like, oh, Windows has got 150. Well, all the Microsoft products got 150 flaws to fix this month, but that's in a month. This is in a week. Within a week, and last week was 151. So this is just crazy. I just can't believe. And every part of the browser has a flaw. Chromecast, Chrome for iOS, the file system. What is that? The casting system when you're casting to a device. Graphics, the GPU, everything has flaws. And look, the number of critical ones, too, is just crazy. Ay, ay, ay. So that means, you know what? You've got to update. You got to really update. If you haven't done it, make sure that you're at the latest of the Chrome browser by going to the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help and about Chrome. It should be up to date at 149.0.7827.54, depending on the operating system. But if you have a Chromium-based browser, that means you have to update also, because 429, I mean, a big majority of that, if not all of them, are all Chromium based and mean they're all going to be fixed within your browser too. This is purely insane. I just can't believe it. So that's where we are at with the security updates this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.